Welcome to NetWitness 12.5, New Features Training. In this video, we will discuss the event reconstruction. So we have implemented the pre-construction of events as a part of that feature, and we have two versions here, which are version 1 and version 2. First we will talk about version 1. So in versions prior to 12.5 we used to own the web view, which was only present on the legacy web. So here, as shown in the screen, we can find that only the details were only on the legacy page. Now we have implemented the same for the investigate page also. Here in the investigate page, we have the header and then the request response and then the content which is present in the response, and everything related to this event will be shown in this view. We are now supporting a few types of content which we will discuss throughout this feature. So here you can see we have reconstructed the HTML page here. And as per this, we have implemented this feature only for the service equal to 80. As for all the other services, we are not going to show any web reconstruction events. As you can see here, no web reconstruction event found here because the service of this event doesn't equal 80. So here also we have a web reconstruction event. You can see the text is HTML, so it means the text in here is the HTML data. And for this event the text type is plain text, which is another type of content that we are supporting in web reconstruction. We are supporting two types of data in the text, which is HTML and plain text data. We have implemented in the same way similar to that legacy web view which you have seen in the legacy events tab. We have a few other controls here as well. So as you can see, a few CSS changes also have been implemented here. And we have a new option named Enhance Reconstruction for Web View. So, this is to enable or disable the reconstruction of events using CSS, images and links. When we are enabling this, we can see all the images, photos and links which are related to other events. But if we are disabling it, let's say here you can see a few highlighted parts in the event. When I disable the reconstruction for web view then reload the page, you won't see these highlighted parts in the event. And you can see here the highlighted parts are not present. Once we enable it, we can see all the highlighted parts and all the other data as well. So here you can see the highlighted parts. And also there you can see that CSS color here is blue. But when we disable the enable reconstruction for review option and then when we reload the page, it will only show the content that is present in the event, so it won't show the highlighted parts. Here you can see before we used to have a flag and it used be in the center and we had this blue background. Now, we won't have it since it's disabled. This feature is only available for service equals 80. We will not be supporting the web reconstruction view for rest of the services, meaning that there will be no web reconstruction available for these events. And by that we have finished the demonstration for the web reconstruction version 1, and now we will be discussing the web reconstruction version 2. We have now supported that the related files of other sessions or events within a particular event. So when you go to admin system and then events, we have an option named web reconstruction settings. Let's say we are having a few CSS or HTML changes from other sessions or events. Only if you enable this setting, you'll be able to get these details from the other session IDs or other events. Otherwise, if you don't enable this setting, only whatever is present in that event will be shown. As you can see in the screen, this is similar with what we have just explained. Now we will disable this option and open this event. You won't find any related files from other events. But if we enabled it, you can see the files from the other related events, such as the country flags from other related events. So here if you see in this response we have USA flag which is present here, and we have another flag from another event also is presented here. Disabling the feature it here and you won't be able to confirm that session ID of the related sessions in this event. Here if we go and check now, it won't have any logs. But when we enable that option, and then when we reload the investigate page, now here you can see that related session IDs in the logs. Here in that investigation server log you can see the related session IDs which are related to this particular event. So all the data from all these IDs are also being fetched. Since the web reconstruction is enabled, we are having all the other flags which are present in this particular event. And then we have that blue CSS background color as well. This option is just to enable or disable all the CSS settings of the related events. For example, if you open this particular event assigned number 3173394, only these details will be shown, but the CSS information won't be shown unless you enable the web reconstruction option. So, to sum up all the details we discussed in version 1. We have enabled the web option and in web reconstruction so the customers can see the web-related details here same as in the legacy pages, and for web reconstruction version 2 we are now supporting the related session files of other related sessions or events. Thank you for watching this demo.